Hello, everybody. It's Lynnis, and welcome to Lynnis Minutes. I hope everybody had
anion product. A product, negative ions come from lightning strike, and we do not want to.
And it's really because I have a 3-part framework or process called exploration.
some quick tips, tools, and techniques that are going to aid you in midlife. Journey, and you want to make sure that you start each day in a positive way. It's so important in not just achieving your goals when it comes to your overall wellness, but just in moving forward with your life. It's important to start each day in a positive way. And I've talked about this many days, but one of the things that's very important to me, starting my days, I always start my day in prayer and in fellowship with my sisters on the prayer line. I love to listen to motivational music, Christian music, or gospel music. But just now, before I came on, I was listening to Somebody Else's Guy. Google it. You remember that song? Somebody Else's Guy. It's got a real, upbeat. And it's like, oh, yeah, okay, I hear that, And it felt good. There's nothing wrong with doing things that help you to feel good, that help you kind of set your day. Because how you start your day many times will, govern how the rest of your day goes. And while you're starting your day in a positive way, also take a look at your obstacles, whatever those obstacles are, and overcome them. Don't make excuses, okay? Like many times what we'll say is, well, one obstacle could be procrastination. I know that's my obstacle. It happened to me yesterday. Not so much in terms of, beginning to start my progress in terms of losing these inches and pounds, but I had a lot of work to do. And I kept obsessing about all the work that I had to do. And so it became a vicious circle. That became my excuse. And I was like, wait a minute, stop it. Okay, these are one of my obstacles, procrastination, when I know I have a lot of work to do. So no more excuses. Just sit down, stop putting it off, and just begin to start doing the work. And a few hours later, I felt so much better because I finally just stopped using those excuses. And, when you are thinking about making a lifestyle change, when it comes to your health, design a plan that works for you, whatever that is. For me, I think it's going to be the intermittent fasting and the workout we're going to be doing on the V.I.B.E challenge. But whatever it is for you, define what that is and then do it. Some people love to make sure they walk every day, they increase their water, and they reduce their calories, and they keep a food journal. Okay, maybe that could be your plan. Whatever your plan is, whatever works for you, then do that. I know with the V.I.B.E Moving Challenge, when Jessica and I were working on it, we thought that one of the things we definitely wanted it to be was fun. And as we continue each day, we'll have a little bit more fun because you'll get a little bit more in shape. You'll get a little bit more used to the idea of moving every day for 30 minutes. So that was one of the things we wanted to incorporate in the plan. One thing I want to incorporate in my plan, as I mentioned, was intermittent fasting because I think that'll work for me. So whatever works for you, design that to meet your needs, to help you meet your goals, whatever they are. So those are my tips on how to stay motivated and to keep moving forward in your plan to reduce those inches and pounds.